Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll look at review questions 10, 11, and 12. Let's begin with review question number 10. Joe signs a 10-year lease on a 10,000 square foot warehouse in order to house direct materials for his business. However, before moving his materials in, he realizes that he doesn't need all of the space in the warehouse. The landlord agrees to reduce the rent and only rent out half the warehouse to Joe if he pays an additional rental amount of $5,000 in 30 monthly installments of $166 each. How much of the $5,000 can Joe deduct in this tax year? A. $5,000. B. $1,992. C. $500. Or D. $4,000. The correct answer is C. The amortization deduction each year will be $500 because the $5,000 is spread out over the course of the 10-year lease. Now let's look at review question number 11. John and his brother Casey borrowed $5,000 for business use. John is legally liable for 50% of the money borrowed and makes payments on half of the total loan amount. The total interest paid for the loan after 1 year was $500. How much of the interest can John deduct as a business expense? A. $500. B. $250. C. $300. Or D. 0. The correct answer is B. Because John is legally liable for 50% of the loan, he can deduct 50% of the interest paid on the loan. Now let's take a look at review question number 12. James's business had a great year in 2012, and he decided to pay off his mortgage on the business property early. However, he had to pay the lender a 2% penalty, which equaled $4,000. True or false? The $4,000 is deductible as interest. The correct answer is true. A prepayment penalty to pay off a mortgage may be deducted as interest. The amount listed as the penalty in the mortgage contract is the amount deducted as interest.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.